Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Cynthia and today I'm going to be showing you guys what I did on this fateful day. Don't ask me the day because I don't even remember the day. Okay, so this is what these human beings have turned me into. Like a whole graduate like me. Like a whole graduate. They've turned me to a common hairdresser. See me. Like, I don't even know how to make hair, but these people will be stressing me, make my hair. Please, I don't know how to make it. I'm not your hairdresser, but they will say, no, you have to make the hair. So, as you can see, me, I'm trying so hard. How did they do this? Bunch of human being, surrounded in my room. They want to make, I say, please, this hairdressing job is not do or die. Let me go. Well, this is me trying to add this thing. What is it called? Attachment, or I don't know what it's called. I think it's called attachment in Nigeria. So I don't know what it's called in your language. So this is me trying as much as possible to make this thing. Like, how did they make it? So yeah, it's actually not my first time of doing it, but I really do not learn this thing. I just use strongest they do. Yeah, nobody taught me how to do this. So yeah, this is what they turned me to. This is how my day is going. I'm making this hair at this point. I'm tired, to be honest. I'm really tired. At some point, my client was trying to, this is actually my first client, okay? Yes, my clients, they are my family. They are also my clients because they are stressing my life. They will not pay me. They've gone to hair salon and they call price for them and they run to me. You know, the free human being, the person that doesn't have anything to do with her life. So yeah, this is me trying as much as possible to make this hair. And at some point, not this point, but at this point, I'm already tired, obviously. At some point, my client was trying so hard to make jokes, gist me. Yeah, she likes amebo. She was trying to gist me. You see how she's smiling, trying to get me to smile, but I'm not smiling. Don't mind me, I was smiling also. But I was tired. You see, I was so tired. So I made this hair all day long. Hey, I made this, if not for 10 hours. Okay, no, it was not up to 10 hours, but I saw this hair reached 6 hours. I'm not joking. 6 hours in one hair. It was not funny. But I made the hair. Oh my God, I got tired. I'm like, okay. So this is what I've been up to since. I know you guys will be wondering, see my face now, see how strong it is. I'm not smiling. This job is not easy. If you see the seriousness on my face there, I have to, see it now. I have to get this. I have to get it right. Yes, get it right, baby. See my client smiling, thinking this thing is funny. It's not funny. You have turned me to your house help. I'm not your house help, okay? Okay, so this is me. Hey, trying. I'm like, God, when will this suffering end? When will this thing end? When will this end? It's okay. I'm fine. This is me telling her, keep your head though, or else I'll stop. She'll be like, oh, sorry. Yeah, it's not true. I think we are just gisting. So yeah, this is me making the hair. Are you enjoying it? It's not this easy. As you're watching it like this, it's not as easy as it looks, okay? It's a lot of work. Yeah, I put in a lot of work in this. Endurance. I endured. I finished making this hair. You guys, my client said that I made short hair for her. That this hair is too short for her liking. But what can I do? Clients, please don't kill me. Don't kill me before my time. See the seriousness on my face now. Look at that. Look at that smile. Hey, look at the mouth. Oh my God. So yeah, this is it. This is me making the hair, being whatever they want me to be. Yeah, I can be a doctor, and I can. So I can also be a hairdresser. I can be anything you want me to be. So yeah, at this point, oh God, I am weak. I am tired. I am frustrated. What do I do? So at this point, this is what is remaining. So I was trying to tell my client, let's do transition, like cover this thing. Should they look at the camera? Okay, see it now. See the end result. Well, not so bad. What do you think? I did well, right? Yay, I did well. Look at the end result of the hair. It was so beautiful, to be honest. I was so proud of myself. I've never made hair this beautiful before, but we move. Okay. Yeah, so I was so proud of myself. I was showing you guys, I was showing off. I did this, so hey, I did this alone, no help. I stood for years. So this is the picture of the hey, yay! And this is my second client. Hey, this one, I didn't even get a lot of clips on this my second client because this human being know they stay one place at all. She no gree at all. So I was just doing it. I will record one this small part. I will stop recording because she was just all over the place. We'll make small, she will stand up, she will move. So the first client, I actually drag her to help make the second client because I cannot kill myself. She helped. Yeah, she helped in making the second client's hair. See her face now. These children turned me to something else, but they are my family, I love them. They can turn me to anything. It's only them that can do this. Only them can do this and go scot-free. So yeah, this is what I've been up to. In case you have not been seeing me, yeah, I've turned to hairdresser overnight. So yeah, my second client was giving me wahala. So I just say, okay, let me use small clip. It's okay, that's the end result. Look at that now. Look at the color. The color is coloring. I mean, the color is giving. What kind of laugh was that? Well, ignore it. So this is my last client's hair. Yes, that is my helper on the bed.